Approach is clear. I heard cleared for takeoff, runway 20.
And we're configured for takeoff.
Departure from John Toon Airport. Wind's pretty much down the runway. A little over 20 knots. Airspeed is alive. Gauges are green. Annunciator clear. Looking for 60 by the white rectangles.
That's 60.
There we go. Take your time. Wings level to the bars. Positive rate gear. Flaps. Trim. Autopilot on. Now, relax. Take a deep breath. Cleansing breath. 2 fingers on the yoke. Make sure that friction lock is set. Get your pump off. Filch. And flow. Yep. Very good. I have some visible moisture. Let's wait on that.
Delta, contact departure.
Over to departure, 9 Lima Delta, see ya. Nashville departure, Malibu, 569 Lima Delta, 1000 for 3000, runway heading.
Malibu 569 Lima Delta, Nashville departure, ident, Nashville altimeter 2990.
2990, ident, 569 Lima Delta.
2 fingers.
For 569 Lima Delta, radar contact 2 miles south John Toon Airport, call maintain 3000.
3000, 569 Lima Delta.
Nicely done. Dick Rochfort. Fly safely. Train off it.